The Beastie Boys educated us on our right to party. And as a solar consumer, you also have rights. Those rights include clear and honest information about potential costs, savings, and system performance. Many states even have legislation protecting solar consumers. Hi, hello there. Sinue here from DroneQuote. Thanks for joining us again in this fourth chapter of our Solar Buyer's Guide series. Our mission: to arm you with critical insights for a successful solar journey. Our last episode, What to Look Out For When You're Buying Solar, can be found in the Buyer's Guide playlist right here above me. Today, we'll explore your rights as a solar customer. From the onset, you have the right to transparent information and a clear understanding of what you're buying before you buy. That means suitable time to think through your decision without anyone staring you down and waiting for you to sign a contract. It also means getting quotes in writing. It's not uncommon to hear from customers that the last guy just explained everything but didn't leave me anything to review. That's a red flag right there. As a solar consumer, you have the right to a comprehensive warranty for your solar system. This warranty should cover solar panels, inverters, and other components. It should also include some level of workmanship warranty and roof warranties. Ensure that you understand the warranty terms and coverage before finalizing your purchase. Many states have specific laws, regulations, or a solar bill of rights that outline the rights and protections of solar consumers. These laws may include provisions related to transparency, consumer disclosures, dispute resolution, and other aspects of the solar purchasing process. Because the solar contracts can be long and wordy, you have the right to adequate amount of time to read through it and have your questions answered to your satisfaction. Review the contract thoroughly and ensure that it aligns with the terms discussed and agreed upon. What your salesperson tells you should closely resemble, or even better, mirror the contract. You have the right to access and monitor your solar system's performance data. Some solar installations come with monitoring tools that allow you to track how much electricity your panels are producing. In some regions, solar consumers have a rescission period, during which they can cancel the contract without penalty. This period typically lasts about 3 days, depending on where you are, after signing the agreement. With DroneQuote, we extend that time up until the week before installation, because we understand life happens, and we are well above holding anyone hostage to a contract. Frankly, we care more about our reputation than one sale. Most people don't even know they have solar rights when they get into buying solar, but it's our hope that with the guidance from DroneQuote, you can navigate the process with confidence and ensure you're treated fairly. Remember, knowledge is power, and solar is all about harnessing that power. If you haven't already, please hit the like button. It really helps us out, and subscribe to our channel for more insights. Now, if you thought this was illuminating, wait until our next video in the series where we explain the roles of solar parties in your buying process. We'll dive deeper into the different roles within the solar industry and help you get familiarized with the entire process from start to finish. Click here to start that video. Until next time, hasta la vista.